Welcome to the Exams Daily YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about the SBI recruitment of the year 2020. State Bank of India today has released the notification for the post of Specialist Cadre Officer. For this recruitment, we are going to see the notification details such as education qualification, vacancy, selection process, application detail. First, we are going to see the post and vacancy detail. For this recruitment, deputy manager and manager post have been invited. For the deputy manager post, the candidate should have completed BTech or MTech in computer science. And for the manager post, the candidate should have completed MBA or PGDM with specialization in finance. And also the candidate should have 3 years to 5 years experience in overall related field. And for this recruitment, the candidate should have an minimum of 24 years to maximum of 35 years. The age limit will be varies according to the post which we have applied. Selection process will be done on the basis of shortlisting and interview. The selected candidates will be placed at Mumbai. Pay scale for this post are: for deputy manager post, the candidate will have a 31,000 to 45,000 of around, and for manager post, the candidate should have 42,000 to 51,000. Selection process for this recruitment is: the candidate who are applied will be first got shortlisted according to their eligible qualification, and after that the shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. The interview call letter will be only intimated through email ID. And the next notification for this SBI recruitment is risk specialist sector vacancies. For this risk specialist sector vacancies, around 20 plus vacancies are announced. For this post, the candidate should have completed CA, CFA, MBA or PGDM or data analytics or MSc statistics or financial risk manager by GARP, profession risk manager by PRMIA, PGDBM from NIBM. And the candidate also have 2 to 4 years post qualification experience in the relevant field. Selected candidates will be posted at Mumbai. Age limit for this recruitment is: the candidate should have completed minimum of 25 years to maximum of 30 years. Selection process for this recruitment is: the candidate will be selected on the basis of shortlisting and interview. Remuneration for this posts are minimum of 31,000 to maximum of 51,000 around. Third notification for this recruitment is data protection officer. For this post, the candidate should have completed graduation or its equivalent, and maximum age limit for this post is 55 years. And for this post, a single vacancy is announced. Selected candidates will have to place at Mumbai location, and CTC for this post is not a limiting factor for a suitable candidate. And also a contract period for this data protection officer post is 2 years. Selection process will be done on the basis of shortlisting and interview. So the shortlisting will be done on the basis of educational qualification, and after that shortlisting, the selected candidate will be called for interview. For interview, the call letter is intimated only through email or bank website. No hard copy will be sent. Fourth notification for this recruitment is: several posts has been announced. The posts are data trainer, data translator, senior consultant analyst and assistant general manager. For this recruitment, the candidate should have completed BE or BTech in CS or IT or MCA from a recognized university or institution. And also the candidate from IIT or NIT or top rated engineering colleges will be preferred. After that, age limit for this recruitment is: the maximum age limit is from 38 years to 45 years, and it differs from post to post. Selection process will be done on the basis of shortlisting and interview. Pay scale for this posts are differs. For middle management grade scale 3 years from 42,000 to 51,000 around, and senior management grade scale 4 post have 50,000 to 59,000 around, And after that, lastly, senior management grade scale 5th post have 59,000 to 66,000. And for this recruitment, the merit list will be prepared according to the candidate scored in the interview. So with the merit list, the ranking of post will be announced. Finally, the last notification for SBI recruitment is Deputy Manager and Manager post. For this post, the candidate should have completed graduate or full-time MBA or PGDM or postgraduate management degree or BE or BTech in CSR IT from a recognized university. An age limit for this recruitment is the candidate should have completed minimum of 25 years to maximum of 40 years. Post qualification for this post are the minimum 48 months to maximum of 5 years in the relevant field. Selection process for this recruitment will be done on the basis of shortlisting and interview, and the selected candidates will be placed at the Mumbai or across all the banks. Remuneration for this post are middle management grade scale 2 post have 31,000 to 45,000 and middle management grade scale 3 post have 42,000 to 51,000. Application fee for this recruitment is the candidate have to pay an application fee of Rs 750 for general or OBC or EWS candidates and no application fee prescribed for SC or ST or PWD candidates. So finally, we have seen the 5 notification for the SBI recruitment. We hope that the interested and eligible candidates have applied for this recruitment and got recruited in a reputed bank. For this recruitment, the apply online link will be active from today, that is 18 September 2020 to 8 October 2020. And finally, how to apply for this recruitment is the candidate should have a valid email ID and password till the end of the recruitment process. For that, the candidate have to visit the official site of SBI, and in the official site, the candidate have to register with the email ID and password, and after that the registration, with that registered ID, the candidate have to apply for the post which we want. Fill the required details which are asked in the application. After that, the candidate have to pay an application fee of Rs 750, and this application fee is applicable for only general, EWS and OBS candidates and no fees for SC and ST PWD candidates. Once the fee payment is done, the candidate have to upload the following documents such as resume, ID proof, date of birth proof, PWD certificates if required, and educational certificates, experience certificates and photographs, then finally signature. Once uploading document is done, the candidate have to click finally the submit button to apply for the post. And finally, the candidate have to take a hard copy of online application form for future reference. Notification PDF link and apply online link for this recruitment is given in our below description box. Candidates can make use of it and apply for this post. All the best. Thank you.